Hello, everybody. Andrea Trebsky here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. So our meal prepping pro class will be next Thursday, January 11th at 7. So for those of you who are able to come to my home, please try to arrive around 6:30 if you can, because we will be starting right at 7. And for those of you who are tuning in online, I will likely do a recording earlier on that day so that I can prep food for the class that we are having at 7 o'clock at my home. So for those of you who are attending online, I will likely be sending you the video that afternoon. So then that way you can see exactly how to use your amazing kit. So mine thankfully came in yesterday. So let me just show you what it's all about. So this is that protein cup. They call it a shaker. But what I like to use, here, let me open it up here. Oh, there we go. I was going to say, it's kind of hard to open. But so this is what they call a shaker. So I like to use this for if I'm having a protein shake. But for the class, I will be showing you guys how to make a yummy smoothie because I have tried many different types of smoothies. And if you are trying a smoothie for the first time and you try to make it too healthy by adding like all lettuce vegetables, it's not going to taste very good. So I will kind of show you guys how to make it healthy, but to also make it taste good. And that usually means adding certain protein powders. The cocoa chai powder from Epicure is amazing, but if you do not have that, that's okay. Any protein powder is okay too, you know, and pick a flavor that you like because that does help a lot. But I will show you guys all of that at the class. So they call it a shaker because you would probably make your smoothie the night before if you can, and then in the morning, because typically the next day you'll notice the liquid at the bottom and then the other sort of stuff on top. So you just have to make sure that this is closed. Just make sure it's closed all the way and then shake it. And then that helps to sort of mix everything in there again. Okay, so make sure to shake it. So that's why they call it a shaker. Also in your kit, you got this amazing, which is actually my favorite thing ever, for salads. Okay, so this is what you would use to bring your salad to lunch. If you have to work, you would bring this with you. So this is pretty cool because it has this little thing on top for your, you know, whatever type of dressing that you want for the salad. So just kind of put it in there, easy. And in the morning or the night before, which is what I normally do, is I'll put my lettuce, my green peppers, my cheese even. What else do I like to put in my salads? Olives sometimes, just anything that you want in it, put it in here. And then you obviously seal it up. Put your dressing here. And then when it's time to eat your salad, you just obviously open this up to pour it all in. Yum, yum. And then you would shake it. So it's so much easier. And then your salad is an actual, you know, nice healthy salad. You could even eat it in here or put it on another plate or something. I usually just like to eat it in here. It's just easier, but you don't have to. So yeah, so we'll be making a salad as well. I'm thinking of a Caesar salad because everybody seems to like a Caesar salad. But keep in mind, you know, even if you don't like a certain type of salad, you can use this for any type of salad you want to mix and match. There's tons of them out there, and lettuce is healthy for you, right? So the more you can put in your salad, that's awesome, right? So this is the salad shaker. So whoops, let me put the fork back in here just so I don't lose it. Although it's a plastic fork anyway, so you'll probably end up throwing it out after your first use anyway, I'm thinking. The insulated food jar, very, very neat. So this, again, you could use for anything, for soup, chilies, you know, anything. I'm thinking of making a soup as part of the meal prepping pro class. I'm sorry, guys. I was sick all last week, so sorry about that. But it is nice, not too big, not too small. It is amazing, and it stays hot forever. So it's nice to put in, as I said, like soup, chilies, you know, something like that, but it does stay hot forever. So for our class, I'm thinking of making a soup of some kind, something easy, something fast, and something simple. So yeah, if you guys have any ideas, let me know. But the cutoff I'd say for the ideas would be tomorrow night. So please just let me know. So then that way I can actually, I'll say tonight because I want to let you guys know by tomorrow what you need to pick up from the store. So if you have any ideas you would like to see, just let me know, because so far I have some ideas. People are asking me to do a chicken noodle soup for the salad. People are asking me about a Caesar type of salad, and for a smoothie, just something that actually tastes yummy, so that I will be able to show you guys that. And of course, it comes with this. I am so excited. It hasn't even been opened yet. I'm looking into making you guys like a cocktail of some kind, a, you know, healthier type of cocktail. So I've been getting some ideas for that as well. So I'm not sure exactly the type of cocktail that I'll make, but I'll think of something. And last but not least, these tongs. So I like these because there's silicone on the ends, of course, and over here too, so it's not too hot. So there you go. You could use this for anything, as you know. I think they just put it in the Meal Prepping Pro kit to maybe if you want to mix up your salad at home, but these are longer tongs to mix up your salad, but you could. So yeah, it's just kind of something handy to have in the kitchen. But yeah, you guys, if you have any questions, let me know. As I said, if you guys have any ideas, please let me know by tonight if you can. So then that way I can let you guys know by tomorrow, sort of a list to pick up from the store. So then that way we can cook at the same time, obviously. If you're coming to my house, make sure to bring everything that is included in your kit. So then that way you can make something and then just take it with you, right? Why not? If you're online, as I said, I will be doing the video probably earlier that day, and then I will be sending that to you, and then you can watch it as many times as you like. Anything that I'm making, I like to keep it under a half an hour so that it's, you know, quick, easy, simple. But as I said, if you guys have any ideas, just let me know. And I'm excited to see you guys at 7 o'clock next Thursday. And for those of you who are tuning in online, I am excited that you can see me. I won't be able to see you, but that's okay. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys next Thursday.